Hi everyone, Joe here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first room I got done in my Christmas 2020 decorating journey. And here we are in the living room and what I am calling my lodge style. So what I'm going to do is I'll take you for a little trip around the room. So for those of you that didn't see the little parts to this, I think there were 3 or 4 parts to this room. I'll just briefly explain what I did here. And we'll start over here with this tiny hutch that we have on this wall. And this is a piece that goes through a lot of seasonal changes. Every season I change this piece out, and it is small enough that it can handle a quick change but yet deliver an impact for the room. Over here what I've done is I pulled a drawer out at the top of this hutch right here, and I put in this rustic, it's actually a centerpiece that has a tree on it and these wooden type ducks, and then around it I built this garland which I lit and with mini lights, and I have berries in there, branches, a pair of antlers right here, and a buffalo check bow that you're going to see repeated, that motif repeated throughout the room. Here on the second shelf we have some canisters with the natural elements of pine cones and the poinsettias, and this red canister with more pine cones. And what we're going to see is a very organic approach in this room, in that there's a lot of greenery and a lot of branches and pine cones and whatnot. And up here this great looking Santa that actually looks like he's carved out of wood, but he's really ceramic, and I think he has a nice placement up there on top of that that piece right here, and my lantern with the candles in it. Window treatments in the room I've changed out to a deep red and white, and as you can see over the windows I always like to do a little bit of greenery and some decorations. In a close-up view we can see what I did was I put a piece of garland along the curtain rod, and then I added on these beads and some poinsettias and some ornaments, and up there in the circle top I have a flickering candle. On this sconce, Marianne found this great sign right here. It's an old-fashioned looking Santa, and it has the buffalo plaid on the bottom where it says joy, so it was a natural for this room this year. We used white stretch slip covers on the furniture so that the whole room would be coordinated better. And you can see this great soft plush blanket right here, throw with the large buffalo check pattern on it. And then on the couch itself, we have the red pillows and then the darker burgundy with the green. It's a very, very hunter green. It almost looks black, as well as these 2 Santa pillows. The red pillow cases were, I bought those a few years back in Shoppers World, I believe, and then these other pillows, I don't remember actually where we got them. I think the white stretch slip covers give it a whole new look in here. The tree is all decked out in many, many picks, giving the tree a very organic look, and the buffalo check black and white and red and black ribbon, and the lots of natural elements like branches and pine cones, and I have white ornaments on here as well as red ornaments, and the bird houses, and of course these ornaments that I made from Marianne's grandfather's plaid jacket. So this is a very meaningful tree for us, because those of you that know the meaning of cardinals, that they may be messengers of departed ones, or some people think that they're angels that are coming to give a message from a departed one, but I thought it was very fitting on this tree with the plaid that I used from Marion's grandfather, as well as all the other natural elements. I think this is one of the favorite trees that I've done in a long, long time for me and for Marianne. Mantle itself is done again with a organic look. We have a lot of twigs in there and pine cones, and these little lanterns that I made from these wooden boxes that I found in the Dollar Zone. And I have the little flickering lights in there, and I put roofs on them, and I decorate them with the berries and the greenery, and again the antlers right here. Above the mantle, what I did was I made this big arrangement of white branches and the red berries. Again, giving it that lodgy kind of feel that I was going for in this room. And I think it coordinates beautifully with the tree. Down over here by the hearth, I have a woodland Santa right here, and this rustic bushel with some logs in it, and once again I tied it together with that buffalo check pattern. Here on this side of the room, we have the red vase with the white branches, and there is a Blessed Mother and Jesus right there next to that red vase. And then this sign we found at the at-home store, Glory to the Newborn King. Again, it has a more rustic look, and I thought it was perfect for the theme of this room, that lodge kind of a feeling. And this pillow, wrap yourself up in the spirit of the season. Merry Christmas. And then here, nice fir throw. What kind of lodge would not have a fir throw? So I have a fir throw here on this end of the couch. Coffee table, kept it again organic with the wicker basket, the greenery with the pine cones, the single candle, and the buffalo check plaid ribbon at each end of the basket with some more greenery cascading out of it, and this rustic Santa right here made out of a birch tree. And I changed out the area rug in this room so that it would coordinate with the rest of the coloration in the room. Okay, everybody, so there you go. There is my interpretation of my lodge styled Christmas decor for our living room. And this is the first completed room that I have done, and I'll be moving on into the dining room. So stay tuned for a lot more videos coming up really soon. Thanks as always for stopping by, and please consider subscribing if you just stumbled on me. I'm trying to get 10,000 subscribers by Thanksgiving, and it's getting really close, but I would really appreciate it, and you won't miss out on anything that I have planned for the rest of the season. Okay, everybody, I hope you're doing okay, and I'll be seeing you really soon. Bye-bye. Take care.